Hey guys, it's Miss Marnon. So if you are watching this video, you're either in pod A or D, and this is Monday, November 2nd, or you're in pod B, and it's Thursday, November 5th. So if I look at our page for November 2nd, here's our directions. So we have an objective. I can multiply rational numbers using multiplication rules. We're going to work in class notebook, and you're also going to complete one standard quiz. So I'm going to hit next. So this is just the page for directions to go to our class notebook. So just a reminder, we hit class notebook on the side. I'll do it for you guys now. Hit purple sign into OneNote. And then the blue open in OneNote online button. Now we're in our class notebook. This one says to go to Unit 2, page 10. Unit 2, page 10. So there's a video if you're not in class. So this is an in-person lesson for pod A and pod D. If you are not in class and you missed it, there's a whole video you can watch to go through it with you. When you're all done, make sure you're clicking this mark as done button to get the little check mark. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to do a standard quiz. So we need to go back to modules. Notice how I now have the little green check mark here. And if you scroll down to the bottom, here are just a bunch of quizzes that we've been working on. So you're going to pick one. So if you haven't done 1D yet, you could start with 1D. Or if you really wanted to show growth on one of these other ones, pick it. I'm just going to ask that you don't sit here and take the same one over and over and over and over again until you get it perfect. We're going to kind of have like a week in between to see that if we grow between each week. Now I can take it a bunch of times in a row until I get 100%. So you're going to take one of these quizzes so I can update our data wall. Your choice. 1A is additive inverse. 1B is adding rational numbers. 1C is subtracting rational numbers. And 1D is using properties of adding and subtracting. So when you're all done with your data wall quiz and you've checked this, you marked as done, it's all done in your class notebook, you're all done with today.